In the diagram PQR, with ST parallel to QR, K is a point on QR and is joined to T and P. PS is Y. SQ is Y minus 1. TR is Y minus 1 over 2. And so on and so on. How should we proceed with this one? They say we should calculate the value of Y with reasons. So what is it that we can do first here? Rapela, what can we do?
Oh, and I can say, theorem, PS all over SQ.
So you want to say PS, huh?
Yes.
All over?
SQ.
SQ.
Illegally PT.
PT.
All over TR.
TR. Okay, let's write that first. So I'm going to tell them that number one, we know this for sure. PS.
Yes.
All over?
QS.
QS. Say this should be equal to PT
all over TR.
all over
TR.
TR. This is something that we just came up with.
It's from theorem, and then we have to copy
Line,
lines. Okay.
Parallel
From one side
of a triangle. Okay,
yes.
Okay, how do you proceed from here?
PS are like a Y, and then
So we can tell them this one is Y.
and then our SQ is Y minus 1.
This is Y minus 1.
And then our PT is 1,5 minus 3 over 5, which is 3 over 2 minus 3 over 4.
3 over 2Y
minus 3 over 4.
Minus 3 all over 4.
Yes.
3 all over 4.
3 over 4.
It's a straight line. 3 over 4.
Yes.
All over?
Y minus 1. 1 over 2.
Y minus 1 all over 2.
Yes. And then simply it's just algebra. What we have been taught for the past 2 years. We cross multiply.
So we have this Y, which is this one here.
Yes.
This is going to be multiplied by Y minus 1 all over 2, like this.
Yes.
Equals to?
Y minus 1.
Y minus 1 multiplied by
3 over 2.
3 all over 2. Y minus 2 all over 4.
Yes.
Sure.
And then simply start with the simplest side, which is Y squared minus Y minus 1 over 2. Yeah. 1 over 2Y. 1 over 2Y. And then I simplify it, which is you have 1 over 2Y squared. And then minus 3 over 4Y.
Let's combine these ones.
Which one and which one?
I got this one. They're going to give us like times this one.
Yeah.
This one and this one. Yeah? Minus?
I don't remember. I don't remember. Negative 9 over 4 or negative 9 over 4.
Negative 9 all over 4Y.
Yeah, and then
This one and
plus over 4. Yes.
Okay.
Let me bring the
9 over 4 equally, yeah.
And
Negative 9 over 4y.
we said this one multiplied by this one. And then we also said this one multiplied by this one. We foiled.
Oh.
Yeah, and then it's negative and negative. Then they give us negative 9 all over 4.
Oh, yeah.
So what do you want to do from here?
I will take Y squared minus 1 over 2I to the other side.
Which one?
This the left hand side.
This one.
This one. No, this
You
one.
take this one
to
this other side.
Yeah, to the other side with its partner.
Okay, so if you take this one to this other side, so you're going to have this one is 1.
Yes.
It was positive. When it gets this side, it becomes negative.
Yes.
So you're left with 1 all over 2.
Yeah, Y squared.
Y squared. So we subtract this one and this one.
And then I see
this one is negative. When it goes this side, it becomes positive.
Yes. And then negative 7 all over 4.
7 all over 4, the answer.
Yeah, negative 7.
Minus 7 all over 4, Y.
Yes. plus 3 over 4.
plus 3 all over 4.
Yes.
This is equal to 0.
The work coordinate that I got was y is equal to 1 over 5, 1 over 2, or y.
So you can use quadratic.
Yes.
A is equaling to 1 all over 2.
Yes.
B is equaling to minus 7 all over 4.
Mhm.
Y is equaling to 3 all over 4.
C.
Or C. And then if you use a quadratic, you say you get y1.
Yeah, y is 0.5.
It's 1 all over 2. Ne?
And then
Or y is going to be 3.
Yes.
Okay. You're not done.
You're not done.
Yeah.
So I went on to check. I checked this three. Three is applicable, by the way. And then I don't know where 1 over 2 is it not applicable? No. 1 over 2 it cancels out because they say value of y. So I went straight to 3, and then it gave me a balancing thing. So 1 over 2 is not applicable.
So we can say which this one is not applicable. Ne?
Yes, therefore,
Therefore, our y is going to be equal to what? To 3. Okay, we're done with that one. Done and dusted. Okay, next.
Question 19.2. They say if PKT
So this angle here
Q.
is equal to this angle here.
Yes.
Yeah.
But prove that PSKT is a cyclic quad.
Let's highlight the one that they're talking about. So they're talking about this one here. They're saying which this angle here, there's a circle here,
Yes.
which is imaginary circle.
Imaginary circle.
Sure. The cyclic quadrilateral. Sure.
Yes. Why? What? Like, firstly, like, you will not Q ilingana no PS or T corresponding angles because of parallel lines ST and the QR.
So first, basically, you should have started by saying this is what we are required to prove.
Yes.
We're required to prove that S is
S
equal to K.
Yeah,
Okay. RTP. RTP, we are supposed to prove that S, which is PST,
Mhm.
should be equaling to PKS.
PKT.
PKT.
Yes.
That's what we are required to prove.
Yes.
Okay. So you start by saying
Oh, Mr. Malapida mo. Oh, Mr. Malapida mo.
we are required to prove that this angle here is equaling to this angle. If you can prove that, we would have proven with this thing here it's a cyclic quad. So we are trying to prove that PST, which is this angle here, that is what we are required to prove. RTP, we are required to prove that PST is equaling to PKT.
Yes.
PKT like this, huh?
Yes.
Okay, sharp. So Rapela was saying Q, ne?
Yeah, Q.
Angle Q
PST
is equal to PST. Ne? And then the reason behind this is because we have corresponding angles. Huh?
Because ST is parallel to.
Because we have ST, which is parallel to.
Parallel line.
Okay, sharp.
And then we knew for Q which is proven.
So we have this person who's equaling to Q. Ne?
Yes.
And then this one is also equaling to Q.
Yes.
So it means these two people now they are equal.
Yes.
So we can tell them P K T is equaling to PST. Ne?
Yes.
Which is what we're required to prove. So therefore
PSKT is a cyclic
PSKT is a cyclic quad. How did you prove our cyclic quad?
Converse.
Yeah, converse.
Is a theorem that proves that.
Yeah. Converse angles in same sec.
Yes.
We're done for today, guys. Homework,